How to turn off likes notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off likes notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click here this one on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then just click this three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click notifications, and here you will find this one, post stories and comments. And if you want to turn it off, just click this one off here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.